A crucial part of native speaker communication is business idioms. Why are idioms so important? Because if you translate them literally word for word, corporate conversations make no sense. Zero sense. Native speakers use these expressions constantly to sound natural, direct, and efficient. So you, as a non-native English speaker, need to focus more on idioms. And I've been teaching English as a second language for a long time now, and I can tell you students do not focus enough on this area. So today, we're doing our listening breakdown with 3 essential business idioms. Let's listen to this short 20-second conversation between 2 colleagues, Mark and Sarah. See if you can spot all 3 idioms. Ready to listen?
All right, team. Let's get the ball rolling on this new marketing campaign.
Sounds good. We really need to think outside the box to stand out from our competitors.
Agreed. I'll send over the main objectives today, and let's touch base after the meeting to finalize the budget.
So did you catch all 3? Let me break down exactly what they mean so you can start using them in your next meeting, or at least understand when you hear them. Number 1, get the ball rolling. So it's not looking for a literal ball. It is to start a process, or in business, to start a project. It's to get something started. So instead of saying, let's start the meeting, you can say, let's get the ball rolling by reviewing today's agenda. Number 2, we heard think outside the box. So it's not searching the room for a cardboard box or anything to do with a literal box. It means to think creatively, uniquely, and differently. How do we use it? Well, we can say, we have a tough problem here, so everyone needs to think outside the box today. Number 3, touch base. It's not looking for a baseball field or a base anywhere inside your office. It means to briefly talk with someone, briefly, or check in for a quick update. Emphasis on quick. So you can say, I have a quick question about the report. Let's touch base later today. So using these idioms is the fastest way to bridge the gap between textbook English and real-world corporate fluency. If you want to master even more native expressions through funny, unforgettable story adventures, so you never feel confused in an American workplace, or at least less confused, you can check out my full course, Lost in America. I'll link it down below. Also, I have a book on Amazon all about idioms. Hit the subscribe, leave a comment using one of these idioms in your own sentence, and I'll go ahead and check it. See you in the next video.